Morning, everybody. I wanted to bring to your attention something that occurred yesterday. I had a friend of mine who's a diabetic ask me why her blood sugar was going up after she ate a particular food. In this case, actually, it was in addition to her coffee. I asked her what the situation was. She explained to me that this was a no sugar creamer. So I looked at the bottle of the creamer, and in the back of the ingredients it said that it had cane syrup, maltodextrin, sucralose. Now those are all forms of sugar, yet on the label it said zero sugar. So what I want to point out to you this morning is that it's very important that you know what is sugar and what isn't sugar. Food manufacturers tell us there's no sugar in their food, but they disguise it in many, many ways. Now, what I would ask you to do is do an internet search asking for all the forms of foods that have sugar. And it'll be very easy for you to pick out the ones that are mainly just plain chemicals. Honestly, it's better for you to have something with regular sugar than it is to have something with chemicals that are a form of sugar, because those things are just cancer-causing agents. They screw up your hormones, and it's just plain not good for you. So I would ask that you pay attention to food labels. Learn about food labels. It's very important that you do that, because in many cases we're eating foods that we think are healthy, but we're making ourselves sick. And in your particular case, trying to lose weight, it frustrates your weight loss endeavor. Now, the other thing I want to remind you of, and I know some of you are aware of this, of the rule of fives. The rule of five states this: you divide the fiber in any food by the carbohydrates in that food, and you come up with a ratio. And that ratio needs to be less than 5, or it's not good for you. So here's an example. You have a food that says 5 grams of fiber, and you have a food, and that same food has 50 grams of carbohydrates in it. You divide 5 into 50, the number is 10. That's not a healthy food for you to eat, especially when you're fasting and trying to lose weight. So that's not something that you should have on your dinner table, on your plate, in your pocket, anywhere. So be mindful of that rule, because it's very important. And I'll tell you that it's going to be difficult. You're going to have to be very careful about searching out foods that satisfy that ratio. But they're out there, and they're healthy, and they're okay to eat. So I'll be coming to you again with another video later in the day. But for now, just remember the rule of fives. It's all about healthy eating. You can't lose weight unless you're eating healthy. And remember the triple D: drink, drink, drink. See you soon.